Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today, guys, we'll show you how to fix a transmission that doesn't shift right. Sometimes it might be really hard shift, sometimes it might not even shift at all, and it's very important to use a scanner and get the code. If you have a code, guys, for solenoid, especially like Mercedes, European vehicles, some Americans like Dodge, they share the same transmissions. Even Dodge and Mercedes in many vehicles share the same transmission. It's called conductor plate. That's the plate that connects all the little solenoids. So we'll show you guys how to replace solenoid and how to fix transmission that doesn't shift right. Okay, we'll have it on the channel, guys, many more videos, so please subscribe. Let's grow the channel together, be part of it. We scanned that one, and we have a specific code for solenoid. So solenoids are usually A, B, C, D, like that. It will tell you if it's solenoid A, solenoid B, and for your specific vehicle you need to find exactly which one it is. We'll show you now how to usually replace the solenoids and how to get to them, and most of the vehicles will be very close procedure, so stay with us and let's go ahead and start on it. Okay guys, we removed the valve cover body, okay, with the conductor plate. You don't have to do that, you can do it just without removing the whole thing, you can do it from underneath, but we wanted to inspect everything, okay, and usually you have a plate that holds the solenoids. Ours, this one right here, is bad. That's solenoid. So once you remove the bolt, okay, watch now, you can pull it out. It's very important to inspect the rubber seals right here. Make sure that they're clean, that they're holding good, because if they're leaking, you won't be shifting good. We have a replacement solenoid from a parts car. Okay, you can buy them used, new ones. Okay, and we'll just go ahead and install it like that, as you can see, and get it tight now. Okay, and we'll go ahead, put it together. Okay, and you just install the valve cover body, guys, and that will be pretty much the whole procedure. So not very complicated. If they tell you it's a burn transmission, always check the codes, because if it goes for a solenoid, okay, it's fixable. I mean, there is no need to buy a $600,000, $2,000 transmission and pay so much labor when you can do it yourself and just buy a solenoid for like 20 to 50 bucks, maybe even 100 for some models, but you can still get like even all of them used ones for about 100 bucks or 6, 4, depends on how many gears the transmission has. So that will be the video for today, guys. Please subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.